When Samsung Hotspot stops working, start with mobile data, then the hotspot switch, then battery saver, and only reset network settings last. Open settings, connections, mobile data, and confirm mobile data is on. Hotspot shares cellular data, not your home Wi-Fi. Go to Connections and open Mobile Hotspot. The full page shows the network name, password, connected devices, and allowed list. Turn Mobile Hotspot off. Wait 10 full seconds, then turn it back on. Do not rapidly tap the switch. If no device can join, open the three-dot menu and check Allowed Devices. If the list is enabled but empty, add your device or turn the list off. If Hotspot disconnects, open Battery and Device Care, Battery, Power Saving, and turn Power Saving off for the test. If Hotspot still fails, go to General Management, Reset Network Settings, have Wi-Fi passwords ready before confirming. If none of the steps work, check your carrier plan and install Samsung software updates. Scan the full guide for the complete decision tree.